Hello viewers, welcome to the video lesson. Here we'll discuss about the simple interest. Interest, what is interest? It is the extra money earned by a person or by organization when you invest some money, which is called principal. So principal amount were invested for a certain period of time as per a rate. So you earn some interest, that is simple interest, and the amount, it is the total money, that is principal, money, and the earning money, that is interest. So here the two terms we use, one is creditor, other is debtor. Creditor, the organization who lends money, and debitor who borrows money. So when we discuss with the simple interest, when you find the simple interest, so we have principal amount, time period, rate percent, so principal amount is the invested money. Time period, it is the period for which the loan is borrowed or given. You can use simple time for this one and use T. Principal is P. A rate percent, the interest for ₹100 at the end of 1 year is called a rate percent. Suppose if the rate percent 5% means 5% means ₹5 is earned after 1 year as interest. When the amount or principal is ₹100. Working formula. For simple interest, the formula is principal into rate percent into time, and this rate percent means R by 100. Now suppose if you want to find principal, in that case we'll use the formula. Simple interest, we can write I into 100 by R into T. If you want to find a rate percent, then rate percent, that is R is equals to 100 I by ET. And if you want to find the time period, then T is equals to 100 I by ER. So, these things we have discussed, that interest, it is the money paid for the privilege of using creditor's money temporarily. Creditor, the organization or person who lends money, and debtor, the organization or person who borrows money. From the creditor. Factors of simple interest. First one is principal, the amount of loan that is borrowed or given to a person. Or the sum that is kept as deposit with any organization like bank or any financial organization. Time period, the period for which the loan is borrowed or given to a person. Rate, percent or rate, the interest per rupees 100 at the end of 1 year. Suppose rate percent 5%. That means rupees 5 is on as interest after 1 year if the principal amount is rupees 100. And amount, it is the sum of principal and simple interest. So our working rule is, for simple interest is equals to principal into rate by 100 into time. Rate of interest per annum means per year, and T for time period for which the amount is deposited or used. Now let us discuss about now illustration. A sum of money amounts to rupees 6200 in 3 years at 8% simple interest per annum. Find the principal amount or sum. So here the sum means the principal amount invested. So first we start, let the principal amount is rupees X. Now here given time is 3 years. So this is our P. Now T is 3 years and rate. %. So simple interest or simple interest. This is our working formula. From the datas, we get x, then 8 by 100, into number of years is 3. Now, as per question, it is given that amount is equals to rupees 6,200, and this is equals to principal plus interest. Therefore, get an equation 6200 is equals to principal amount we have taken x plus interest we have taken this one. So you can write 8 that is 24x by 100. So we'll write here 24x by 100. So now if we multiply this 100 in each term, so we'll get here, this implies 6200 into 100 is equals to 100x plus 24x. That is 6200, another 2 zeros, is equals to 124x. Therefore, x is equals to 620000 by 124. So after simplification, we are getting this here 500,000. Therefore, the required sum $5,000. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.